Hello, good morning. It's actually 3:48 p.m. It is basically Monday. Yesterday was a holiday, but today's a Tuesday, but it feels like Monday. Happy Memorial Day. Let's get to the Hot Lap. Number 60, May 27th. It's going to be a short one because it's crunch time, baby. We got the open house coming June 1st. It's T-minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Basically 4 days. So, yeah, let's make this quick. If you're enjoying these videos, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Give us some love, share it, blah, blah, blah. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you to all those who do already. Uh-oh, Pump Express. Yeah, no, it's not, maybe. Random guy pulled up his side. This month's giveaway is a Thrash racing seat. Every $5 spent on the website enters you. It's one entry every $5 to win a Thrash racing seat. If it's in stock, you can come pick it up. If it's not in stock, we'll put it on order for you. You'll be good to go. Uh-oh, Boss Man coming through.
Pump Express.
Yeah.
Pump you up.
Okay, pump it up. It's the last 5 days that you could buy on the website to get entered into the giveaway. So the last day is May 31st. Saturday. So get those $5 in. Every Faction Motorsports branded item is worth double entries, so $5 is worth 2 entries. As you can see, we got a little upgrade to the waiting area. We've been tuning this place up, getting ready for the open house. We got these shelves up, put a little bit of trinkets on there. You guys know the Snap-on gnome. Gave him a new home. We have the Cressida photos on the wall. These photos were taken by AJ Vega, Shutter Thief on Instagram. These have been on the Instagram years ago, so we decided to blow them up, put them on the wall. Nice little waiting area touch. What do you guys think? You like it? It's a nice car. Nice car. Got the coffee table book set out. Cardiac Arrest, the Final Bout World Tour by Matt Geggy. Nice little read while you're waiting here. What else we got? A little Bride magazine from 2016. I mean, they still got the same seats, right? Some of them discontinued, but cool. Cool. Come in, take a seat. Open a book. There you go. Thank you. What else we got going on? 30% off walnut blasting for the rest of the months.
I didn't know what walnut blasting is.
Yeah. How do you guys not know what walnut blasting is?
I didn't know until.
Yeah.
You want to tell me?
It's a cleaning process to clean intake valves from carbon buildup. I guess I didn't know what it was either. What else we got? I started stocking these shelves. I figured we'd do it by brand, section it off by brand. So, look what just pulled up. Anthony Rizzo. Can you see that? Got a car on the back. Chris Coy's S13. Everybody knows that car. Getting some work done soon. And it'll be here for the open house. Everybody, drive your cool cars to the open house. Gonna have a nice little parking setup. Be here on time. We don't know how many people are going. What are your predictions of the amount of people that are gonna go? Put it down in the comments. But as you can see, I sectioned this off. There's a little gritty section. Then you got the Works Bell section. And come around here. Got the P2M section right here. Energy suspension section. And then this one is going to be all Vibrant parts all the way around. So we're going to stock this with all the Vibrant parts. Move a lot of this over to there. So this will be the Vibrant thing. I don't know what these are called, but it'll be filled with Vibrant. Let's see. last hot lap, we had a couple comments on there. Chris Cheeser says, anything with Nick is instantly hilarious. Yeah, if you guys go watch that last hot lap if you haven't already. Front Street Nick made a little guest appearance. Let's see. Oh, a lot of people are telling Frankie to work on his car, which he has been doing. He did not document anything and put it on Patreon, but he should soon. So that way we don't lose all these members who are threatening to leave if he doesn't. What did he say?
There was a little something on there.
Oh, you uploaded something on the Patreon?
Faction Weekly.
Oh, nice. On the Faction Weekly. Go check it out. Subscribe to the Patreon. Eddie also uploaded a video about an R34 Skyline build. JS Drags commented and said, heavy Gran Turismo vibes from the intro. So good. Was that your goal, Eddie?
No, it is.
It always is? Eddie's a big Gran Turismo fan ever since he got it for PS5. That was like a couple years ago, but big fan. What else we got? We're gonna do some final finishing touches up in here. I just decided to put a 180SX fender up there, OEM fender. Gonna put maybe an exhaust up there. Maybe get some more grates to go around here, up top here. But yeah, we got some more fine tuning to do before Sunday. So bear with us. Oh, should we give him a little rundown of what the sections will be for the open house? So in the podcast room, we will have a tattoo parlor in here, which sounds kind of crazy, but it's gonna be a friend, Billy. He also tattoos at Englishtown. If you went to ECB this weekend, you might have gotten tattooed by Billy. So we'll have a little tattoo studio in here. This will obviously be the parts section. Office will be off limits. That'll be our refuge when we get overwhelmed. So, yeah. This will be the waiting area. We'll probably have maybe some food up here, food or drink up here. But this will be the nice little chill area. Gonna have some stuff on the TV. Let's go into the shop. Let's go the other way so I could turn off the music. Ooh, actually, we can start over here. I will most likely be behind this desk for a majority of the open house, selling some things if you're interested, some merch. Then you come out here into the loading dock. We're thinking about having Is that a truck? We're thinking about having the drift sim here. So the seat will be facing this way. So that way the TV will be here. I'll be viewing the TV from here. That way everybody out there could see your little drift session. And then we'll maybe have the line to play it. We'll go out here down the stairs. So that's this section. Nothing much in here. This will all be cleaned up, obviously. What?
Maybe a car here.
Might be a car staged right here. It's a little tight though. Auto Preserve will just be cars in there, so people could take a look. Parts area will be closed off. Let me go turn off the music. So this over here, the Front Street guys, Tom and Josh, will have their cars here. They will also be having a small table here to sell their merch if they'd like. Frankie's car will be there. The S15 will stay there. The cars will be filled with lifts, top and bottom. This will all be free. This whole aisle, this lane, there'll be nothing obstructing it, so everybody can walk free, take a look at the cars. And then over in this section, under the faction sign, that's where the coffee stand will be. Motorsport Brews. So they'll be selling coffee under that sign. Nice indoors, nice and give them a nice little corner. And then outside.
Oh yeah, that's matching in the rear.
Hey, Mr. Rizzo.
Hey, what's up, Malcolm?
How you doing?
Yeah, how are you?
Over here, this will be. I think Jimmy Oaks will put his little table booth here, so he could sell some stuff if he'd like. He'd also have a car parked out next to it, obviously. Ooh, look at that! Look at that Volvo. Oh yeah. I need me one of those. Yeah, that's the little rundown for now. It's just going to be parking all the way down there. And obviously a food truck if we were able to secure one, which we're not having any luck, are we? Still a 50-50. Yeah. So that's the layout for the event, the open house. So yeah, hopefully it all pulls through. Oh, let's see. Last week we had DK Ladies League members and founders on the podcast, Sharon and Alexis of the Drift Kitchen organization. It's a ladies league for drifting. They host events every season. So if you are a lady looking to get into drifting, hit up DK Ladies League. Or what is the Instagram, Eddie? The Instagram for? Oh, DK Ladies. Okay, I said it right. Yeah, that was episode 152. So if you have not watched that one yet, go watch it. This week's podcast, it'll most likely just be Frankie and Carl chatting. It'll be a quick one because we're still very busy for the open house, so we're probably just going to be doing a little pre-open house chat. Yeah, so it'll be a quick one this week, but it'll always be good, as always. Chris Naz, why are you having your open house when all of Front Street can't come? I heard Front Street has a bachelor party or something. Well, get your priorities straight. Come here. Toxic Man, will there be a live stream for open house? Why, can Alexi not come? That's crazy. But there should be a live stream. That'd be cool. Maybe we'll just do a quick Instagram live, you know? Try to keep it active. RAR Performance, what's your guys' recommendation on good pizza places in the area? Good pizza places, Nona Rosa down the street here, and also Casano's in Rutherford. Dave Portnar, Barstool Sports, actually did a review of Casano's in Rutherford. I think he got a 7.8 or 7.9, but it's good. I had it. It's definitely up there. Casano's, Rutherford, and Nona Rosa. Those are the good pizza places, in our opinion. Well, that's all the questions for today. I guess people are used to the Hot Lap being on Mondays. They forgot to look out for the questions today. Shout out to our high tier member on the Patreon, LaRon, aka Upsoar Drift or Twitch Drift. He's been a member since June 26th. June 26, 2024. Thank you, LaRon. And if you are not subscribed to the Patreon, please do so. We got 3 tiers. Go figure out which one fits your budget the best. Frankie will be throwing some content up on there with his car. He actually did a lot to the engine bay in the past week. Should be ready for primer very soon. Yeah, and it should be on the ground. What'd you say?
You gotta do your AMA stuff.
Oh yeah, I still gotta answer my AMA questions. But give me 1 second. I think I got UPS coming here.
You got anything up?
Yeah. Give me 1 moment. I am back. All right. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. See you this Sunday. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Everybody give the camera a thumbs up. Bye. Who is that guy? Hey, he looks scary. All right, see ya. Yeah. Quick.
You didn't get everything done?
I did.
Oh, you're doing it today?
Yeah. Eddie wasn't here yesterday. See ya. I'm gonna go talk to the U-Haul across the street to see if they're all right with us parking on their sidewalk. And if they have any open lots that we would be allowed to park in. Wish me luck. I don't know how this is gonna go. Hello, how you doing? I don't know if you remember me. We're from the shop down the road. I just want to let you know we're having an open house on Sunday.
We're just gonna have cars, food, and drinks. Just want to ask you a question. If we don't have enough parking, would it be okay if we parked on that sidewalk where it says no parking? Yeah, definitely not. And say we fill up that sidewalk. Is there any other lots on your property that would be able to park a couple cars or no? Okay, but that sidewalk should be okay as long as we don't block the door. Yeah, and then tomorrow we're gonna go talk to the police just so they know also. Okay, if you want to stop by, you can stop by too. Okay. All right. So now I don't know if you guys heard that, but the U-Haul manager, the store manager, is allowing us to park on the sidewalk across the street. That's U-Haul property where it says no parking. So she gave us that permission to park there as long as we don't block any doors. So that's a few more cars we could fit. Not bad. Better than nothing. We predicted that U-Haul would be the least busy on a Sunday, but it turns out they're the most busy. But she was really nice about it. She was like, as long as you guys don't make a mess and block a door, it's okay. It's only one day. And yeah. So, little progress. Got +7 spots.
I mean, yeah.
But yeah.
Talk to the police next.
But also we have that salon or esthetician place down the block. Frankie spoke to them. I don't think he got an answer from them yet. But that could fit a lot of cars, like 20 cars or something. So that if we get an okay from them, that would be a big sigh of relief. But yeah, U-Haul only gave us the sidewalk, but I was actually expecting them to say no, so that's good. Yeah, we're gonna figure out some more spaces for parking, and then yeah, maybe we'll send out a little map before the event, an overhead map where people could park and stuff, like what they do for Sevens Day. So yeah, we'll check back in with you guys soon.